of our new products at New Age Industrial. We created this product for a food service director in Georgia, and we believe that it will be an applicable product for a lot of different segments. What it is called the Scrap and Stack, and what it lets you do is take steam table pans full of food off of your hot line, and then you can take them and you can scrape the food into the bin so it goes into the trash, stack them up here. Then we also have a spot for your utensils on the bottom, some sheet pans, bun pan racks, and then you can take the entire thing back to your dish area, and it makes it much easier to transport the dirty and the trash, the dirty pans and the trash. Okay, this is our share card. This is a product that we've had for a couple years, and what it's designed to do is you put it in a school, and it's got cold pans here and allows the children, when they have extra fruit or container items like applesauce or milk, and they don't want to eat them, they can put the products back in this cart, and someone else who wants it can use it and enjoy the food, and it's not thrown in the trash. One of the biggest wastes in school food service is the food that goes in the trash. So this helps eliminate some of that and allows kids who want a little bit more to have it. Another new product from New Age is actually a new option for New Age. This security fence we've been selling for over 15 years, and it's one of our top selling items. The security fence is designed to go in a walk-in cooler to create a secure area without adding an additional cooler. So it lets you lock up food, liquor, beer, anything that you want to keep secure. But this year at NAFEM, we added the sliding door option. This comes in a single or a double door. It lets you keep the door within the footprint of the walk-in and the walk-in fence, or walk-in cooler fence.